Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about Spice Cloud. Spice Cloud provides one-stop solution to all of us who are looking for data storage, backup and restoration, security of data and also real-time synchronization across multiple devices. It offers you an online storage space of 2 gigabytes which you can use also as an additional storage space and for backup. Along with this, it also provides you with additional and enhanced feature of remote locking your phone in case you have lost your phone. You can remote wipe all the data on your phone in case of a theft or a stolen phone. And at the same time, it also gives you another feature of locate your device. In case you have kept your phone somewhere and you're not able to find it, you can trigger a remote alarm through this and locate your device. Now this is the icon that you get to see on your Spice smartphone. All you need to do is just tap this and this window comes in front of you. You can either use it on your phone or you can go to our web portal, which is www.spicecloud.in. But before you start using the Spice Cloud service, you have to register yourself, and for that you need to go to the sign up page. Now all you need to do here is put a working email ID along with the password, and that's about it. Check the terms and condition box and then sign up. After completing the process of sign up, now what you need to do, you need to put in here and fill in here your registered email address. In my case, I'm just putting in the one which I have registered and the password. The auto sync feature gets activated itself, and by default it starts syncing all the photographs and the contacts present in your phone, and you can see its progress through this yellow blinking light right at the upper right corner. Also, what you can see here are these different tiles stand for different folders, be it your pictures, be it your music, your videos and your contacts. Now another important thing for you to see and understand is this cloud sign right here. If you tap onto it, it tells you how much of the storage space you have already used and how much of storage space is now left for you. Now moving ahead, let me just tell you how can you make certain settings for your Spice Cloud account and the sync options. All you need to do is just press on the settings button. Now what you can see here is the email account through which you have logged into your Spice Cloud account, the available memory space that you have out of the 2 gigabytes available to you, and then comes the sync settings. Although the photo streaming option and the contact sync options are by default enabled once you log into your Spice Cloud account. Your phone starts syncing data onto the cloud server, and it happens in a valid and working Wi-Fi network. Although if you want to do it on a cellular data network also, it is recommended that you use a 3G network. For that, all you need to do is just enable this option so that your phone can also sync data over a working cellular network. Let me just quickly take you through my phone gallery and show you what all pictures are there in the gallery. These are the pictures that have already been synced onto the cloud account. So just for your reference, I'm showing you all these pictures. Now when I've already shown you how to use Spice Cloud on your mobile phone, let me take you through the process of how to use it on your computer or your laptop. All you need to do is just access your system, go to the browser and type www.spicecloud.in. And the moment you do that, this is the page that comes in front of you. Now this is the login page for you, and this is the whole layout of the website. One important thing that you would really want to go through are the FAQs, or the frequently asked questions. Now there is a list of questions just in case you have missed out on a topic and you're not able to understand how Spice Cloud works or any particular feature of it. You can go through it. Now you have already registered your mail ID, so all you need to do now is just type it in here, just like this, put in the password and hit enter. Okay, now so I have logged into my account, and one thing which I can see right here is how much of the space I've already used out of the 2 GB available to me. And this is the pictures tab, and it contains all those pictures that were there in my phone gallery which I showed you, and they are present here as well. They have seamlessly been synced onto my cloud account. Now let me just show them to you here as well. And if you remember, these are the pictures, you can see it. These are the pictures that I showed you. They were there on my phone, and now I can access them directly through my laptop or through my computer as well. And for your reference, right now I have another phone in my hand. This is again a Spice Cloud enabled device, and I have logged into my Spice Cloud account with the same email ID which I got registered earlier, as you can see right here. And now what I'm trying to show you is that right here in the interface, I can see all those pictures which you can see right at the back in my Spice Cloud account on this device as well, which basically tells you that once the data has been synced onto the cloud server, you can actually see it anywhere, anytime on any Spice Cloud enabled device. Okay, so let me just click a picture here. This is the picture that I've taken. Let me go to Spice Cloud, and you can see right here, this yellow light is blinking again. That means it has already started syncing my photo gallery and all the data that is coming again and again onto my phone, onto the cloud server right now. So I've already logged in. I'm going to the camera tab, and let's see if the picture reflects here as well. And see, here you can see this is the picture that I just clicked in front of you, and it has already been uploaded onto my cloud account. This is the music tab. So basically all the music that is there on my phone and that has been synced onto my cloud account, I can browse through that onto my laptop or to my computer through this tab. As you can see, this is all the music which is there in my phone currently. This is the video tab, the video section, and it contains all the synced videos from my phone. Now in the contacts tab, you can see all the contacts of your phone which are backed up here, and if you just want to delete, you can select them and then go to this delete button and delete them directly from here. You can access all your file folders through this briefcase tab, and you can see PDF files or your text files or your doc files, and you can actually read them and access them from here. Moving on to the next tab, this is the settings tab. If you go here, what all you can see is the basic account information. If you want to change your password, you can do it from here. It also shows you the account storage status. So basically, how much of the space you have already used and how much of the space has actually left. It actually shows it here. If you just scroll down, there are certain enhanced security features that you get through your Spice Cloud account, like remote locking. You can actually remote lock your phone in case it is stolen and you have lost it. You can also wipe all the data that is there in your phone through this remote wipe feature. This is the locate your device feature, which you can basically use in case you have kept your phone somewhere and you're not able to locate it. You can trigger a remote alarm through this alarm feature, which is also the locate your device feature, and you can also access all the call logs of your phone right from here. So this was the detailed review of Spice Cloud, where you got familiar with the functionalities of Spice Cloud, a state-of-the-art technology that also brings to you enhanced security features along with seamless integration, backup and restoration of your data with the convenience of anywhere, anytime access across multiple devices. And the best part is that it comes absolutely free with your Spice smartphones. So in case you haven't experienced it yet, today is the time to log in.